Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to do our best to deoxidize these headlights. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do here today is we're going to use some heavy compound and we're going to try to buff these bad boys. See if we can get them clean. I'm not going to take any sandpaper or nothing to them. I'm just going to try to clean them just like they are. And if anything, I'll just replace them down the road. We're going to take a Makita buffer and a wool pad. We're going to clean the wool pad off real quick. I'll turn the RPMs up. Okay. Crank her up to 11. What I want to do is clean all that excess wool off so it doesn't just go flying around the shop. All right, let's give it a buff. All right, I think she looks pretty good. All right, so now we're just gonna give it a polish. We're gonna do it with the wool pad, same as we did with the compound. It actually looks really good just from the compound alone. I'm pretty impressed. But again, I plan on replacing these headlights again, just because this only lasts for so long. All right, let's hit it again. All right, she's wiped out really good. Now it's time to move on to the next one. See if the next one turns out just as good as this one. Wow, this one turned out really good too. I'm pretty impressed with how they both turned out. Couldn't be happier. All right guys, there they are, both together, done. If you did, please leave a comment and let me know. If you want more, please subscribe. And as always, see you in the next one.